everyone, my name is Alba and today we're talking sergers. And look at what I'm going to show you, how to gather so beautifully with nothing but what came with your serger. Let's get to the serging. In order to create a gather on a serger, it's all about changing certain settings. And the first one I'm going to talk about is the differential feed. And differential is how quickly those front feed dogs move. So I am setting that to 2. So my front feed dogs are going to move at twice the speed of my rear feed dogs. My stitch length, I want to be a little bit longer, so I'm at a 3.5. I'm between the 3 and the 4. And now we're going to talk about the needles and the loopers. My needles are all the way tight, so the highest number on the machine, and my loopers are set to the lowest number on the machine. And that means that the threads are going to fight each other, creating a gather. Now, my tip for creating a really tight gather is putting your finger on the back of the foot and forcing that fabric to move even slower and bunch up even more. And I'm going to show you that difference between here I held my fabric and here I did not. So let's look at that. Here is where I put my thumb behind the foot, and here I did not. So if you want a gentle gather, you don't want to hold that fabric back, but if you want a nice tight gather, you do want to hold that back. I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope you take out that serger. I hear so many people that tell me their serger is still in the box, that they're afraid of it. So please take that out and start making projects and include some really cute gathers. Let me see some pictures of what you create, and I'm just so glad you were able to join me. Until next time, bye-bye.